Here we have a quote by Ronan. Please enter destination floor 69. Okay. What the fuck? No. No. Oh, here we go. I think 32 is the top. We'll find. Oh, hello, camera. Nobody cares about that. We want to watch the view. It's a 90 new tank. Ooh, this is spoopy. Oh, yo, the lights dim. Yo, they have the lights so they dim. That is whack. Yo. This is whack. And get off me. All right. Let's watch this way. There's the Hyatt. Well, you can't see, but it's there. Take my word for it. I promise. Yo, these are amazing. I love how the lights like come on. They come on brighter or whatever the fuck. Oh, I'm sorry.
You're okay.
You guys coming up?
No, go ahead.
Okay. Sorry. I'm just into elevators.
You're just what?
Interested in elevators.
Oh, really?
Yep. Visiting from Chicago.
Okay.
I film them and put them on YouTube.
That gives you a different view there for sure.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just going around getting
Yeah.
all three.
All right.
Have a good one.
Take care.
Enjoy it.
There's the highway over there. Yo, these are whack. This is whack. Oh, that sounded nice. And back down to 1. Oh, look at that panel right there. How convenient. We'll just watch the entire thing. Just the 360 experience. I'm just going to lean on the doors because that's a smart decision. Oh, whoa, boy, we're stopping. Going down?
Hey, bus.
Watch the lights come on.
Going up.
You know what? Let's get this thumbnail. Look at that. Epic thumbnail right there. All right, that's